I will make sure there's no central bank digital currency.
You remember that? It sounds familiar.
And I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency.
Yeah, and it's actually doing what it said. He'll make sure that there's no central bank digital currency. But there's Trump's digital currency, right? Trump launched a Bitcoin. Trump has also launched his own stable coin, and that is what they are using to collect investment into the US. In fact, take a look at this documentary.
America has a new financial darling.
Cryptocurrency.
The cryptocurrency industry.
The answer is crypto.
Thanks to the president, the crypto industry has been booming lately.
I became a fan of crypto.
His family has been promoting it.
That's going to be the future of finance. It's going to be the future of banking.
If the banks don't watch what's coming, they're going to be extinct in 10 years.
While he appoints crypto advocates into government positions to regulate it.
With President Trump, crypto finally has a champion and an ally in the White House.
Why is the crypto industry suddenly at the center of American politics?
We got into it out of necessity.
Trump's sons, Eric and Donald Jr., first got into crypto when banks stopped handing them loans.
We got into politics and all of a sudden they wouldn't take your call.
The family has since built an empire from scratch, helping their friends get rich along the way. The first major investment began in October 2024 with World Liberty Financial, or WLF. It's a crypto firm the family has a 40% stake in. In March 2025, WLF announced a stablecoin called USD1, a type of cryptocurrency that's pegged to the US dollar. $2 billion of USD1 is now being used across the world. Then there's the Trump meme coin. This was launched on January 17th, just days before Trump became president. Its value immediately surged due to Trump's public promotions, reaching a peak of over $40 before dropping off. These crypto investments have made the president's family richer. Their holdings of the Trump meme coin alone are worth almost $2 billion, and crypto may now be the largest single source of their wealth. None of this seems particularly suspicious until you consider that the president is personally profiting from an industry his government is supposed to regulate. After he became president, Trump appointed Paul Atkins to run the Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. Atkins has been a crypto advocate for a long time. Under him, the SEC has taken a more relaxed approach to regulating crypto, dropping more than a dozen enforcement actions against major crypto firms like Coinbase. This has allowed crypto to boom. At the beginning of Trump's first term, the combined value of all cryptocurrencies in the world was less than $20 billion. Today, it's worth nearly $4 trillion. The president's conflicts of interest are now blurring the lines between public life and private finance. In May 2025, Trump hosted a dinner with the biggest investors in his meme coin. The value of the coin rose after the dinner was announced, and critics accused him of corruption.
Donald Trump is using the presidency of the United States to make himself richer through crypto.
Abroad, foreign governments are using WLF's cryptocurrency to make large investments. In May, an investment firm founded by Abu Dhabi's government used USD1 to invest $2 billion in Binance, a major crypto exchange. The transaction made USD1 the 7th largest stablecoin. Democratic lawmakers are now concerned that the president is using crypto to sell access to power. For now, it's still unclear whether investing in crypto wins favor with Trump. What is clear is crypto's growing role at the very heart of American politics.
The truth of the matter remains that whether anybody like it, the financial world has made a major shift right now. It's either you become part of it or you just sit back and complain. So instead of complaining, why not think twice and get into it? Now, how do you begin? Learn about the technology, start using the technology, even though you might start small. By all means, start using the crypto technology. If you need assistance getting started in the crypto world, how to get started, how to begin, what exchange is legitimate, you can comment in the comment section. I always make videos on whatever you need, or you can email me for a one-on-one lesson, and then I'll take you through one-on-one process on how to begin in crypto. Now, as good as the technology is the same way that people are even getting scammed. So make sure that you do not click on emails, or you do not click on links so you don't get scammed. All right. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.